Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining proportions. Draw a vertical center line and divide it into thirds to place the upper bout, waist, and lower bout. Once done, block two ovals for the upper and lower body and join them with flowing C-shaped curves to suggest the ribs. This creates the silhouette that gives a 3D read. Make sure to mark the bridge, fingerboard axis, and scroll. These anchors guide perspective and later depth details, so keep them lightly sketched. You now model volume by giving the silhouette thickness. Offset the outer edge with parallel lines and taper slightly at the waist to imply ribs. Next, lay down the F-holes and purfling guideline on the top plane. These features follow the arch and reinforce curvature. Once done, translate the fingerboard, bridge, and peg box into perspective, angling them toward the vanishing point. Vary your line weight to separate planes, and you finish by refining contours, cleaning up construction marks, and adding directional wood grain that follows the arch. This reinforces form. Apply a single light source, place highlights on the top arch, cast a shadow beneath the violin, and add a subtle reflected light on the lower edge for realism. Once done, glaze or crosshatch to deepen tonal range and sharpen small features like the pegs and bridge. If things look flat, adjust the tilt and soften harsh edges to restore volume.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.